If you want to maintain privacy and prevent the Viber app icon from taking up space in your notification bar, this option is perfect for you. In this tutorial, I will show you how to hide the Viber status icon, which can be useful if you want the app to be less intrusive or if you don't want it taking up space in the notification bar while it's active. Follow the simple steps and stay until the end of this video to learn how to do it. First, find and open your Viber app. Once you're on the Viber home screen, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner to open the menu with options. In the menu, select the Settings option. When you're in Settings, find the General option and tap on it. After opening the General option, you'll see the setting called Show Viber Status icon. Tap it to turn it off. Once you do that, you'll notice that the Viber status icon will no longer appear in the notification bar, even when the app is active or running in the background. And that's it for this short video. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon.